honey, do y'all see me in this right now? Bro, what? I'm so mad about this. Look how that fits me. What am I supposed to do with this? It's supposed to be a city girl summer. Why does this fit like this? What am I supposed to do with, look. But I'm really killing it right now. Like, please, somebody please call 911 because there has been a murder. They say I won't be nothing. Now they are to say congratulations. Hello guys, what is up? My name is Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Now today we're doing a clothing haul. Everything I bought today is from SHEIN. There is no need for a super long introduction. Let's try on some cute clothes. I'm super excited about this video. So excited. So yeah. All right, so I got lots of clothes and lots of accessories. So let's start with the clothes. The accessories we will save for last because clothes is always more exciting. We will start with the first item, just a little tank top. This is super simple. I needed more hair in my mouth. Okay. I needed more tank tops I could just throw on to go out just to, just to be chilling and this one is really cute. It's tan nude color. This is like the Yeezy season nude, but yeah, it's really cute and it has the super thin spaghetti straps. Like this is like not even spaghetti straps. This is like angel hair pasta straps and I love these thin straps. I don't know why, but I feel like super thin spaghetti straps like this on tank tops is so flattering. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. So this will look really cute with jeans, shorts, put a cardigan over it, whatever, on the beach, at the mall. Like this is super versatile and the color is super versatile too. So yeah, I had to pick up this little basic. Next, we have another nude colored top. This is a bodysuit. Now, I actually need you guys' help with this. Give me tips on how to make this fit better. You'll see in the try-on haul what I mean. But yeah, this one is just this super cute tan bodysuit with a lot of side boob action, but I don't mind it. Yeah, it fits the bottoms really good, but it's kind of looser on the top. Like I said, you'll see in the try-on portion. But I'm really disappointed that this wasn't perfect because I was super excited about this. Like, this was the piece that I was so excited about. And then it came in and it wasn't absolutely perfect. Like, my standards were so high for this. And the picture reviews that people left, like, it all looked good on everybody else. I think the problem is that I don't have breasts, but, like, that's not SHEIN's problem. It's my problem, so I can't be that upset, So, bro, what? I'm so mad about this. Look how that fits me. What am I supposed to do with this? It's supposed to be a city girl summer. Why does this fit like this? What am I supposed to do with, look how it just falls off. I'm really mad. Somebody tell me what I'm supposed to do about this because I don't have the patience I just don't have the patience to return it and ask for a new size. So like, can I tie this or something? Like, I need help. Help me. Don't just stand there. Help me. I mean, if it doesn't, like, if I can't figure out how to make it fit right on my body, I could wear it like this. Yeah. So yeah, that's what's up. Next we have some gray biker shorts. I am obsessed with black biker shorts. I have like 4 pair. I'm literally wearing some right now. Biker shorts are perfect for the summer because they're shorts that go with everything. They're breathable. You can dress them up, dress them down. It's like, they're just perfect to me. And so I got this gray pair. I haven't tried these on, so the try-on portion will be the first time I'm trying them on. I hope they fit okay because they seem to have like a long body and a small little crotch. And I hope that this fits proportionate. I have on these black ones from SHEIN too, and I think they kind of look like this off as well. So yeah, this color is not the gray that I thought I was gonna be getting. Like it seems a different gray from the picture, but we'll see how I like it on. I could definitely style this with like some basic black tees though, and it'll look like fire, like an oversized black band tee or something with like some cool sneakers in these. That would be really dope, I think. So the gray biker shorts fit exactly how I wanted them to. So good. Good, we back in business. So yeah, just some gray biker shorts. Not sure how I feel about them yet, we'll see. Next, we have this super cute. It's super cute. I think it's so cute. This super cute, like angel cherub tee. I think I'm saying that word right. If I'm not, sorry, I guess. It's just this little tee crop top. Again, I'm more after pieces I can just throw on and like dress up and accessorize. So, cause that's like what summer's all about. Dope accessories, basics. I feel like fall, winter time is when you have statement pieces on. The summer's all about wearing clothes that are like comfortable, accessorizing it, dressing it up. That's just how I am personally. So this is so cute. The first time I'm gonna be trying it on is gonna be in the try on portion, but I think I will really like it. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. I think I'm gonna do a lot of wear out of this and a lot of Instagram pictures out of this. I might be on Instagram straight flexing on your timeline in this t-shirt. Next, we have another basic. Like I said, I needed to pick up a lot of basics. I just needed a lot of basics in my life. I'm a basic girl and that's okay. It is this really like thick material, not like really thick like you'll sweat, but just like good like thick well-made material. This white like V-cut crop top, and it's not too cropped. This is something you can throw on with a pair of shorts or like some light ripped jeans with like white Birkenstocks. Would be so cute with this shirt. Or I could also see myself wearing this with shorts and like a pair of Jordans. Like, just, I think this is really versatile, so cute. You could also dress this up, put on some like fancier like skirt bottoms or like whatever with this. This is really versatile. Put a cardigan over it when it gets a little chilly on them summer nights when you out with your boo. I really love how this sucks me in. It like just makes me feel secure. I don't have to wear a bra with this, but that's because I ain't got no boobies to hold down. So like it's easy for me not to. If you have bigger boobs, you might be able, like if you're like a C cup, you could probably get away with not wearing a bra with these too. But yeah, this really, like this material is really good. And it just like really springs you in, girl. It really just sucks you in and pulls you together. Next, we have a shirt that is similar to one of the tan shirts, and it is this black bodysuit. Another like drop back, like the back is cut out of this one too, but this one has spaghetti straps. The tan one, the straps are really thicker, and this one fits me a lot better than the tan one does with like no alteration. So I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this. Everybody needs a basic black you know, tank top, and this is like such a twist on that. Like you get a basic black tank top, but it's a bodysuit. It's more interesting. You got something going on in the back. I think it looks really cute. I tried this on. I almost wore it tonight because tonight was date night. And yeah, I really love this. I know for a fact I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this. I have two bathing suits that I'm pretty excited about. Let's start with this one. I have this neon green bathing suit because it's slime season. Can you tell? So I got this neon green bathing suit that is just ruched. It has the tie sides. And then, oh my God, it's so like bright on camera. And it has like the cutout in the middle of the top, which I think is gonna be so flattering when I try it on because I don't have big boobs. So I think it'll like look really good. But also this probably would look even better if you had bigger boobs, but you know, you got what you got. Not everybody was blessed with everything, okay? Woo! Honey, do y'all see? Do y'all see me in this right now? This is honestly giving me so many luxurious vibes. I don't know why. This just feels like the epitome of a swimsuit to me. This is what your swimsuits are supposed to look like on you. Honestly, I was gonna get this in a different color. I was thinking about doing this in the black, thinking about doing this in white, but no. Could you imagine this swimsuit in any other color but the slime? Like, come on. Ain't no other color gonna hit like this. I'm so sorry, but I'm really killing it right now. Like, please, somebody please call 911 because there has been a murder. Oh, I look like I'm going to Maui. What in the world? And the last bathing suit is one that I've had my eye on for a long time. I saw De'Ara from like De'Ara and Ken wearing a bathing suit just like this, and I wanted to purchase the one that she had on, but it was like overpriced. And then I found literally like just like pretty much the exact same one from SHEIN and fell in love. How does this go? Stay in school, kids. So cute. It's so cute. Look at, bro. I can just already tell. That it is going to be a city girl summer with this right here. It's act up season. It's act up season. Okay, we made it through the clothing. Let's look at some jewelry. So let's start with the jewelry that I'm wearing. These earrings I got from SHEIN, and oh my God, I'm really into funky earrings right now because I watch Bella Fiore. And if you guys watch Isabella Fiore, she's a YouTuber. She has the funkiest, funnest, coolest earring collection. She has hot sauce earrings, hot dog earrings, condom earrings, birth control earrings, like literally anything you can think of, she has them on earrings, and I think it's so cool and so funny. And so she inspired me to buy a few earrings. So to start off my crazy, I have a lot of earrings, but no like super fun quirky earrings. So to start off my quirky earring collection, I got these right here. This comes in a set together on SHEIN. One side is the lock and the other side is the key. Please don't talk about my broken nail, okay? Earrings just like complement your face. I don't know what it is. I think it's the symmetry, like the symmetry of having two things that match, or like two things dangling from the side of your face. I think that's what makes you look so good with earrings on. I don't know. That's just what my uneducated guess would be. I don't know. I got this super cute gold like chain lock necklace that actually looks good with these earrings because of like the lock theme. But I see these a lot, and so I just went ahead and picked one up from SHEIN because it was so cheap and so cute. So why not? Next pair of earrings I got are these safety pin earrings with like little cherries on them. I think it is so cute and like so fun and funny, like little safety pin earrings. Hi sisters. I have these little face earrings. They're little people. They're little like people earrings. It's so cute. It reminded me of one of my, why is my dog working? It reminded me of one of my favorite artists, Keith Haring, because of like the abstract face. So yeah, I don't know, I thought it was really cute, went ahead and picked these up. And the last thing I got is a necklace. I literally took this out of the packaging maybe 3 hours ago and it's already tangled up. But y'all know how necklaces get down. You kind of expect that when you are purchasing necklaces. I'll figure out how to unravel it by the time I have to try it on for you all. But it just is like an initial necklace and it has an M on it for my hubby's last name. I really hope you guys enjoyed this try-on haul. It was so much fun to film. These videos are always so much to film. If you did like it, leave me a like and a comment down below. Follow me on the gram to see all my poppin' pics and all the clothes I just showed y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Muchos besitos. Bye.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in a struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All this